Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video that is like such an old trend. I don't even know if people still do it, but we are going to do it today. I did it back in like 2015, so it's kind of old. I'll link the video down below that I did a few years ago, but today we're going to be doing a what's on my iPhone, and this would be way more interesting if I had a new one, but I have the 8 Plus, so okay, so we're just going to jump right into the video. Go ahead and follow me on my social media and check the description box below. Before we jump into the iPhone, I would like to show you guys some stuff that I got in the mail. Okay, so I got some stuff from this company, Pompeii. This is their name. They're a jewelry company, and I got 3 products from them that I would like to show you guys. So the first one I am so excited to wear. They're so cute. I was so excited to get these. They're these little star earrings, and they're so cute. Let me see if you can. They're so cute. They're just these little stars. And I'm going to link all these products that I got down below if you guys are interested in any of them. The next is this necklace. And it's actually a choker. I haven't tried any of this on yet. How does it look? Ooh. Okay, so it's super cute. It's like a fishtail choker with like a gold chain that goes under it. So super cute. And the last thing I got was this other necklace that I've not tried on yet either. It's like a choker, and then it goes down, and I mean you can wear it out like this, or it's like super cute if you kind of put it, maybe not with this kind of shirt, but like a v-neck shirt. It'd be super cute to like put it down your shirt like that. So yeah, it's super cute. Their jewelry is adorable and a super good price. So I'm going to have all the items that I got listed below, as well as their website. And I actually have a coupon code for you guys if you guys want to use it. If you're interested, I will leave it up on the screen and down in the description box below. And stay tuned until the end of the video for a giveaway for this lovely site. If you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned to the end and see how you can win a giveaway. Okay, now moving on to the actual video, we are going to be taking a peek into my phone. Okay, so the way that my case like feels is super soft, and I don't know if you can tell on here, it kind of washes it out. It's like a lavender color. Yeah, you can see right there. And yes, the back of my phone is cracked. I have the gold 8 Plus. I love the back. It's so pretty. But it cracked. I had one and it cracked. And then I got a new one and it cracked. And I had a protective case on it when it cracked the second time. And so I was just annoyed. Like it hit like right where the, like right here. It fell and hit right here. So like where the case wasn't covering. On the back I have this little like wallet thing just to like hold my cards and stuff, because I don't really carry a purse around all the time, and it makes life so much easier. So my screensaver is just me and my boyfriend, and yeah, so let's dive into my phone. My background is also me and my boyfriend. And some of these apps like I've had on here forever, I probably don't even use them, and like they need to be deleted, but I didn't go through it. So we're just going to start with my first page, and the first thing I have is Twitter. Shout out to myself if you would like to go follow me. Go ahead. I've had Twitter forever, like forever. Okay. And this is my page. Yeah, go follow me if you want. On the screen is my name. Okay, next we have my photos. We have camera, you guys can see what I got going on. And we have settings, of course. Safari, basic. What was my last search? LOL. We have the App Store, we have my notes, we have contacts. I just have the basic stuff. Pinterest, you know. We have my email, I use Gmail. TikTok, my new obsession.
I mean, I don't need.
And I just posted a TikTok, so let's go look at it.
I used to be so beautiful, now look
I literally
at
made this just
me.
now.
My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see. I used to be so beautiful, now look at me. My actions are unbeautiful, it's clear to see. I used to.
I replied to my boyfriend's comment. But this is my TikTok. I love TikTok. I just hit 28K tonight. Ooh. So if you guys want to go follow me, go ahead. I post a lot on here. So very active on there. So then I have my YouTube folder. So I have YouTube TV, YouTube Studio, and YouTube. So YouTube Studio is where I can see like my analytics and stuff like that. YouTube is obviously just YouTube. Please subscribe to me. And YouTube TV is YouTube TV. Okay, so then I have a Facebook folder where I have my Facebook and Facebook Messenger. And I have a pictures folder. So I have my GoPro thing where it actually shows what I'm recording and stuff. And so that's what I'm using right now. I have Pic Frame, which is basically where you can just make collages of photos. Have Visco. You can go follow me if you want. I really barely post on there. Like, I tried to get into it and I'm like not into it. I just edit pictures on there. I have Juxtaposer. This is where I was editing a thumbnail for my boyfriend's YouTube video. But you can like Photoshop on there kinda. I have Facetune. Have Fonto, which is where I make my thumbnails for YouTube. I have Huji. Oh, it has to re-download. I love Huji. Like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's basically just a photo editor. I have Tezza. I use this. This is my new Instagram theme. So I'll show you. Okay, they're all the same. So like, I'll just click on a picture. So this is what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like after, and it just looks beautiful, and I love it. Okay, next I have iMovie. I edit videos on there sometimes. And then I have PixArt, which I use to like put stickers on pictures. I have a school folder, so I have Indeed jobs, which I use to find jobs sometimes. I have this when I was going to take the TEAS test. I'm not anymore, so I'm going to delete that. I have Khan Academy, Remind. So Khan Academy is where you can study stuff. Outlook, which is where my student email is. I have Remind, which some of my classes send out reminders. FAFSA, just to keep up with some stuff. Heartland and Great Lakes are for my loans, my student loans. I have a music and TV folder where I have my Spotify, Netflix, Hulu, and SoundCloud. I have a car folder where I have Waze, which is just like another GPS system. Maps, Circle K, Shell, Spin, Bird, and Lime are for these scooters that you can get in Charlotte. Or like, I mean, I'm sure they have them other places, I don't know. But, I mean, I ride them in Charlotte, so. And they're like these little electric scooters you can just like ride around. You have to have the app to do it. I have the money folder, which I have my PNC, banking app, PayPal, Venmo, Mint, which is a budgeting app, Acorns, which is an investment app, Get Upside, which is you get cash back for getting gas, which I forget to do that all the time. Every Dollar and Debt Payoff are both budget apps as well. I have a shopping folder. So I have Wish, which I love Wish. I have Amazon. I love Amazon. I'm always buying stuff on Amazon. I have Let Go and OfferUp. I haven't used those in a while. I have Shopkick. So Shopkick is where you can like get points for certain stuff. So I have a lot of kicks. So I'm like really close to getting a $5 gift card. You get points for shopping at places or walking into stores or scanning certain stuff, buying certain things. So you should check it out. You just get points for stuff. And have Poshmark. So I just started posting on Poshmark. If you guys would like to check that out, someone just made an offer on some boots I posted. So this is my Poshmark. I still have more stuff to post on there. Like I have a whole pile of stuff. If you guys want to check it out, this is it. I have Target app, eBay, Groupon, which is coupon app, Yelp, so I can get reviews on stuff, Shein, and TripAdvisor. I get reviews in like different like restaurants that I could maybe try out, and Uber. I have a health app, so I have Workout for Women, which I use sometimes. I have my Apple Watch app. I have MyFitnessPal, which I've been using like crazy. I went way over my calories today. If you guys want like a what I eat in a day video or like my workout video, let me know. I've been getting really into trying to eat healthier and like work out and stuff. So yeah, and I've actually been noticing a difference and stuff. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below, and I'll do that. And yeah, so this is just like my profile. I have my activity app, which is where it tracks like my exercising and stuff. And I did not go to the gym today. I don't really go on the days I work, so as you can see, I got no exercise. But yesterday I got a ton of exercise. I burned almost 1,000 calories and had a lot of exercise. I went to the gym twice. I did a yoga class for the first time, and then I did leg day. So yeah, and then Monday I went to the gym as well. I actually just went to a yoga class on Monday. But yeah, so that's my activity app. Wait, they actually just got this app. This is like new in the update. So this is where you can see all my different workouts that I've done, my awards, and you can share. So then I have the health app. Oh, I love that it has my cycle on here. So then I have the health app, and it just kind of shows everything, you know, health-wise. I have this sleep app, which I got for my got the sleep app for my Apple Watch. I don't use it that much because I never sleep in my watch. I have this app called Remente, and it's supposed to be a goal setting app. Same with this Fabulous app, and to be honest, I never use them, so we're going to delete those. Never used them. Next I have this, and it's Apple, and it means it's apps that came with Apple besides like two of these, or a few of these. They're just apps I don't use, basically. So I have the Wallet app. I have the Weather app. Let's see the weather. Look how hot it still is here. It's supposed to be fall. It's almost October, and it's still 94 degrees here. Great. Clock, iTunes Store. Calculator, I have Tinder. I don't even get on Tinder. Like, me and my boyfriend both downloaded Tinder because we would get a lot of Instagram followers from it. Like, we would just put our Instagram in our bio and just, like, swipe on people. Yeah, I know that's horrible. FaceTime, Find My iPhone, Calendar, Bitmoji, Measuring app, Bumble. I tried using Bumble BFF. It's just so weird. I can't. Reminders and Duo Mobile, which is, like, something I can use to do a Duo login thing for my Instagram. I have a food app, which I just have Chipotle, which is just like, I use this because I go there all the time, and I can scan stuff, and I'm close to getting my next free entree. Then I have the Starbucks app, and I go to Starbucks way too much. I wish I could just scan it there, but you have to like put money on your Starbucks card, which sucks. And then I have the Moe's app. Next I have an IG app, which I need to rename some of these folders because they don't even make sense. But Rep is where you can like work with different brands. I've only worked with one brand from here. But yeah. Influencer, I never use that, but it's another type of thing where you can get points and stuff for taking quizzes and stuff like that. FameBit I used to use all the time, but like I don't use it anymore because they don't have it for Instagram anymore. Shortcuts is a new app with iOS. These are my games. Cooking Fever and Fun Run 3, and I never play these, so I don't know why I have them. Then I have an app. I have two apartment apps. So Apartments and Trulia are like where you can find apartments, and Airbnb is obviously Airbnb, you know. I have this highlight cover thing so I can make a cover for my Instagram and to be honest, I already made them, so I don't really need that. And I'm deleting these games. Patreon is this account thing I was gonna make, and I still might, so look out for that. And Vaunt is where you can put text on videos, which I only needed that for one video. There's my boyfriend at a baseball game. So down at the bottom, I have my phone, I have my messaging, I have my Instagram, which of course, please go follow me. There's my Instagram. Very active on Instagram. So yeah. And then my Snapchat. This is my favorite filter. And I really like this one. Oh god, I did not mean to take that. Okay, I'm going to be giving a $20 Pompeii gift card away. So all you have to do to enter is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment which piece of jewelry that you liked in the beginning of this video the best, as well as your Instagram name, and then go over, follow my Instagram, and leave a comment on my latest picture saying that you came from this YouTube video and that you're entering the Pompeii giveaway. And you will receive this $20 Pompeii gift card. They have amazing jewelry, and I would love to give this to one of you guys. So, can't wait to see who wins. This giveaway will end October 12th, and I will reach out to you guys via Instagram. My usernames are down below in the description box. I'll put them on the screen as well. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is my first giveaway, so it's very exciting, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!